Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Bonnie and nice to meet you for those of you I haven't met. We are headed to Hawaii from Los Angeles on the Princess Cruise Line Grand Princess cruise ship, and we have selected an interior cabin on the Caribe deck. Number C204 is our number, and we will be giving you a tour of what that looks like. This particular cruise will be going through the Pacific Ocean, and felt that I wouldn't use a balcony because it's cooler weather on the Pacific. I picked it sight unseen. I've never been on this cruise line before, so let's check it out and see what it has to offer. So with your medallion app and your actual room medallion apparatus, you unlock your door. Oh wow, okay. So this is an inside cabin, and we booked this intentionally because we thought the Pacific coast would be kind of cold. It's spacious, I think there's more storage space than my last cruise. Drawers here on the bottom to use. It has a nice TV set. So the muster station drill you watch on your television, and then you report to the muster station, and you basically just take the medallion, you scan that at your muster station. It's different. You don't have to make a phone call on this cruise. You just have to watch and check in at the muster station. We kind of did it backwards, but we're trying to get this over with so we can go eat and enjoy our afternoon. It's spacious enough. There's not a couch in here like I'm accustomed to with the other ships I've been on. I hate to always compare things but you just can't help it. But it's warm tones. It may be a little dated, but it's like a ship you would expect. The wood, the extra drawers at the desk. And here, let's walk over here to the bathroom. Oh no, there's it's like a refrigerator here, 3 drawers. And then over here, we have a safe. We have a safe and lots of storage room here. And then over here, the closet is open, so you're able to fit a lot of things because the doors aren't in the way, so that's helpful. Then you have a nice mirror right here, and then the bathroom is a typical cruise bathroom to me. It's a regular sink, and then a little bit of storage space under the sink. It's got your shelving here, and then the shower has an actual shower curtain, so it's not a glass door where you're restricted. It gives you a little more room to move. Shampoo, and it looks like a massage head. Hooks over here too. You know, this type of room, you don't know where you are, so it makes you get out of your comfort zone and get out there and explore. So that's what I'll be doing. I'm gonna try to go downstairs and see if I can get an upgrade, because I kind of want to have a bigger room, but we'll see. And a TV with a remote. There is a port channel, and then it tells you everything here that you can look at. There's music. So that's a nice sized television. I mean, it's adequate. There is only space at the desk for your outlets, so I did bring something from home to give myself some extra plug-in space because there isn't any by the beds. There is a hair dryer on the wall here, and I brought a light as well for my working. So there's a nice big mirror, the television set, adequate light with the switches at the wall. Of course, you have your AC control. I brought this light to help me see where I'm going at night because it's pretty dark. And there is adequate space under the bed for a suitcase or two, and also in the closet because the closet has no doors. So I would say space-wise, it's a pretty good fit for 2 people. This is check-in day. Everybody's got issues, so we are at the guest relations checking to see if we can change our room, but I don't think it's possible. The upgrade would have been a lot extra, and they could only offer me an obstructed view, so I've chose to just stay with what I have. The way I figure it, I'll just buy more shore excursions or something for myself instead. It is kind of odd to be in a room where you can't tell if it's day or night, so I'll be looking at my alarm clock or setting an alarm clock to make sure I don't miss anything. It's been my pleasure showing you around my interior cabin. We will be exploring Maui next week, so make sure you check out that video. And thank you so much for watching, and please remember to subscribe. Until next time. This was one of my favorite places at sunset on the ship, coffee and cones and the Calypso pool, because it was always warm, and when it was sunny it was so beautiful because it's two-tiered and there's so much light.